What's going on, guys? You already know the vibe. It's your boy,
Don JB.
and you noticed that. You guys requested that you guys want 11 to 12 or so video. Well, we're getting some content right now, so you already know. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notification too, so you do not miss out any more videos that I got. Because what? They're coming! Real quick, yo, real quick, guys. Let me know something, real quick. Real quick. You hear? Yeah. Look at that. Look that way there. Look that way, real quick. Look that way, real quick. Who was the premier of Cayman Islands? Real quick. Come in, cuzzy. Who the premier of Cayman? Get let's see. Oh, that hard still. Who you say premier of Cayman Islands is?
Chris something.
Chris Fontaine?
Yeah.
Premier for Cayman Islands?
Yeah.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, sir.
Boo-boo. Not today.
All right, and what are you saying?
Alden.
Premier of Cayman Islands.
Yeah.
Oh.
And which ministry or position in the new government would you want to fill based on your skills and qualifications?
The premier seat. That's the one I want to fill.
Let me see now. Let me look.
I win money.
Wrong fam. Yeah, cuz.
Exactly.
Exactly, fam. Straight. We don't care. All right, cool. So, first question, right? Nah, we don't What care, is the main nutrients in milk? The main nutrients in milk. Come on now. Easy things. Tree brains can't be dumb.
I know the answer.
Come on.
I know the answer, but I want him to answer.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Oh, all right, cool.
I feel like it's calcium, but it's not.
All right, is that your final answer, calcium?
I don't know. Like
We don't know. Gotta find out.
Is it not calcium?
So that's your answer?
Yeah.
You?
All right. But if we talking nutrients, right?
Yeah.
We gotta break this down because there's different answers to this question.
oh, brother.
Right? Because there's a lot of things inside milk.
Yeah.
So
What's the main nutrients in milk? We're not talking about all the other components. The main nutrients.
I say protein. I know the answer, but I want him to answer.
The answer is calcium. Idiot. All right. Anyways. All right. On an automatic transmission of a vehicle, right?
Yeah, you lost me.
No. On an automatic vehicle, right? What does the N stand for?
Neutral.
Correct. Neutral. Correct. All right. What's going on, guys? This is your boy Don JB. I'm here with the one and only
Jen.
Make the people them see who Jen look like, man. You feel me? Big up the bad girl named Jen. You get me? What are the vowels of the alphabet?
A, E, I, O, U.
Sure.
And sometimes Y.
That's the answer. You got it. All right. Who is the face on the $25 bill?
Queen Elizabeth.
Queen Elizabeth? Sure. Last final answer?
That not true? Yes. Yeah, bro.
All right. Cool. That's correct. Who is the president of the Cayman Islands?
We got President down, yeah?
Yep. Who is the president of the Cayman Islands?
President, bro. She know what president?
No. Don't ask no more questions. No more help. It's me and you and the people them. What we saying? Who's the president of the Cayman Islands?
Alden.
Alden for president.
Bro, I actually don't know if I'm... We don't have a president.
Alright, correct. Ready? Alright, what's going on, guys? This is your boy Don JB. Once again, you get me, and I'm here with
Joshua.
who?
Joshua.
Alright, Boop. And who else?
Miggy.
Miggy. Alright, cool. Question for today is, right? Real quick. It's a meme actually, right? So I'm gonna say something and I want you guys to finish it, alright? Do it for the
Do it for the man.
I ain't gonna do it.
Do it for the man.
I ain't gonna do it.
do it for the
For the gum.
or
Spam?
Go.
You can't.
Whose mess is this?
why you always
Lying.
girl, you thicker than a bowler.
Rice? Serious? Serious?
What you be yamming in the mornings, like when you were young, fam?
Porridge.
Yeah, cuz oatmeal.
Police officer on several different occasions. He had no problem whatsoever hitting on the undercover officer on the audio tape, trying to pick her up and saying, "Girl, you're thicker than a bowl of oatmeal."
Thicker than a bowl of oatmeal?
Alright, what's going on, guys? It's your boy DeAndre B. I'm here with
DeAndre.
Alright, the one DeAndre got alone. You get me? Alright. Where can you find an ocean but there's no water?
I was gonna say pum pum fam, but I don't know about that.
What? Fam, where can you find ocean, bro? But there's no water. No water at all, cuz.
I don't know.
Think about it. Think about it, bro.
Or something?
Huh?
Cactus? I don't know.
Cactus?
I didn't know. Yeah. Stay tuned.
Guys, this is why I always say, stay in school. Because what the brown dog is going on right now.
Sorry about this clip. It was shot very dark. I so I had to tweak it as best as possible so you could at least see the people I was interviewing. Finna fire my camera woman in a joke, man. She know I love her.
Morning, sister. Walking, yeah. Thank you. Everybody present themselves and I look nice, man. And I look good, man. Alright, so you know the people them there. You see me? I am here with today Renee. I'm there with Shanique. I'm there with Kalissa. Alright, I'm there with one goodie.
Rashan.
Alright, book. What is always coming but never arrives? Normal thing. Everybody know that. What is coming but never arrives? Everybody know that. Simple things.
What is coming?
What is always coming
but never arrives?
Yo, hear these brothers over here. Yo, get these brothers over here. Get these brothers. Like, look at here, these brothers. Get these, look at these guys. Coming up.
I'm answer the question already. Me, I think dirty right now. Ask them.
Alright then. What is always coming but never arrives?
I don't know. Like, I don't know. I'm thinking dirty too, so I don't know.
So all you could do is think dirty?
Yes.
Hot girl no cry over, man. We catch heart attack and dead.
Start with T.
Time.
No. Sir, real quick, sir. Just school, man. How many books can you put in an empty school bag? Simple things, man.
How many books?
Yeah. How much books you could put in an empty school bag? Come on, man. You have it, man.
I would say as much as it can hold. But maybe you're not looking for that answer.
But it's almost there. Same concept. Father. You have it, man.
Oh my God. No.
Alright, the answer is one, man, because once you put one book in it, it'll no longer empty. Simple thing, my man, Father. Yo, big up on the stuff now, always. Love.
Jason.
Who?
Jason.
Alright, cool. What's always coming, or what's coming but never arrives? Easy thing. What's coming but never arrives?
What's coming but never arrives?
Yeah. Coming up, Father. Stand right there, sir. Yeah, man. You and him. What's coming but never... Oh, by the way, introduce yourself.
I was on the scene, the man himself.
Alright, cool. Alright, so what is always coming but never arrives? Let me know real quick. Yeah. What's coming but never arrives? Cause, huh?
So hold on. Loading. So you ejaculate, right? And then it comes it can, you know.
No man can bust off in here, no. Any man bust off in here for bust off for me too.
No.
Why up for that, brother?
Simple things.
First letter, T ends with W.
T ends with W.
Yeah. Start with T, end with W.
Tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Easy thing. Get yourself, yeah? Next thing, right? What has a lot of ocean, bare ocean, but no water? Dog, what? What has bare ocean, but no water?
Bare ocean, but no water.
A lot of water, like a lot of ocean is represented. I'm giving it to you easy. A lot of ocean is represented, but there's no water.
The clouds, like this the sky sign.
I see when you driving, right? And you look down the road and it look like water. You mean that?
No, Nah, I can't get no more hint.
Nah, cause she the smart one, so.
Bro, it's represented as a lot of ocean, but whatever it is represented on is not. Alright. Let's go. What now? Dealers? The pre is a question. Turn around there, cuz. Everybody. No, coming. Alright, whoever 10 copycats jump off of a boat, right? How much dying?
10.
Huh?
10 copycats jump off a boat. How much dying?
Yeah.
No more 10, brother.
Why?
Cause everybody jump off.
Why are they jumping off?
Cause they all copycats.
Oh, that way, man. That's it.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Morning, sir. Alright guys, as we ending of another YouTube video, I want you guys to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications to see you don't miss out any more videos that I got. Because what? They're coming. Guys, this is what I do for you, alright? You see me? All of that, I turn it wet when I'm a black man for y'all, you get me? Love. Psst, be a smooth day like this. Who can trouble me? Nobody. Oh. Morning, sir.
Bye-bye.